Good morning everyone. I am Er LK Nirala. I am going to start one topic from chemistry, and this is a chapter number 4, class 10. Subject chemistry, and chapter 4, topic carbon compound. Then what is our topic? Carbon and its compound. As we know that carbon, first of all, we know about carbon. Its atomic number is 6, 2, 6. Above principle of carbon 6 is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Understand? Orbit wise, in first orbit 2 electron, in last orbit 4 electron. How many? 4 electron. What is valence electron? Valence electron and valency, it is remember also. Number of electrons present in outermost orbit is called valence electron and valency. But there is a difference between valency and valence electron, is that valency is always less than 4 and valence electron is always greater than 4. So, what is the valency of carbon? Valency of carbon is 4. If we have to gain some information about carbon, its valency, 2, valence electron is, valency is 4, valence electron is also 4. एक किस ब्लॉक में carbon is in block. How to find block of any element? The last electron present in this cell, that is called block. This is present in p block. S block, first orbit S block. This is also S block, and this is a p block. So carbon is occurred in block P. Block P. Understand? How we find in which block carbon? Carbon is in block P. This is indicated by above principle. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Understand? If we want to understand in details, then for 5 minutes listen carefully. First of all, we drive eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a S and this is a P. Take care and listen carefully, and you have to also learn it. This is a counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and next 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We cancel from above and below 1 digit. In D also cancel 1 digit from above and below. So what is the starting of this number? 6, 5, 4, 3. and we also cancel in a block 2, then 5 and 4. Cancel out. And this become, we can, for remember, you can write here 1s, 1s. After that, this is a tail and this is a head. Tail to head, head to tail. 1s. After 2s. After that, head to tail. 2 in which line? This line is P. Then this become 2P. After that, 3s. 3s. After that, this is a 3P. 3P. Understand how to write this one? 3P after 4s. After that, 3D. This line one is D. 3D, 4P, 5S. And after that, this is the head, and this also started from tail. And this is the 4D. 4D, 5P, and 6S. Also this one, this line is F. 4 F, 5D, 6P, 7S. And this one is the last line. I started from 5F, 5F, 6D, 7B, 5S. This is a alpha principle. How to recycling it, how to arrange it. 1S, 2S, 2P, 3S, 3P, 4S, 3D, 4P, 5S, 4D, 5P, 6S, 4F, 5D, 6P, 7S, 5F, 6D, 7P, 8S. How we find it from this figure? How to rearrange this figure? Also remember, this one is started from as like a counting. First of all, we categorize in 4 size. First line is S, then P, then D, after F. And we as like a counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this line, 1 to 8 digit is here. In second line, we have to carry it, remove one line from above, from below, and remove one digit from above. Then in this line, 8 digit is here, so we have to cancel it. Here 8, but we remove it. Here is 1, we remove 1. So line 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And line of block is P block. And this is a D and this is a F. When we remove one digit from this line, then this becomes 2, 3, 4, 5. When remove one digit from above and below, then this becomes 3, 4, 5, 6. And line 1 is D. And this is a 4 and 5. After that, from initially we started from 1 and line is S. 1S. 1S. So we written here 1S. After that, this is a last point. Then we start from tail here. Then this line is 2 and line is S. 2S. 2S. After that, we started from 2 or line of 2 is P. Then we written here P. 2P. After that, 2P, and we have 3 line is S. 3S. Very easy. This is a very easy from figure. And after that, when we understand it, then we have to remember it. 1S, 2P, 2P, 3S, 3P, 4S, 3D, 4P, 5S, 4D, 5P, 6S. 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s. It is clear? Clear? Okay. I also remember one times how to arrange it, how to draw it. First of all, you have to write counting from 1 to 8. Below to above. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, remove one digit from below and remove one digit from above. In this line, how many digits? 8 digits. And this line only 6 digits. In 6, we have to next line. In next line, we have to remove 2 digits. Then this becomes 4 digits. In 4, we remove 2. Then this becomes 2. And line 1 is S line, S, P, D, and F. Because in chemistry, only all elements are lying in 4 blocks. That one is S, P, D, and F. In many examination, we have to find how many blocks, in which block it is presented, in which block it is presented. So then block may be found by this rule. Understand? 1s, 2s, 2p. So we have to drive it for question sodium Na11. How to find valency, valence electron, block, group. We can find all things by using this one. Because we have a master formula 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s. Sodium have 11 number of atom, 11 number of atomic number of sodium is 11. Then we find 1s, 2s, 2p. Do you know how many electrons living in S? How many electrons living in P? Don't know? Okay. Here formula 4l plus 2. 4l plus 2. This is a formula to find how many electrons present in any block. This is a formula 4l plus 2. Remember it? This is a formula 4l plus 2. 4p. 4s block. 4s block. 4 into 0 plus 2. What? 4 into 0, 4, 0 plus 2. Then this becomes 2. It means in a S block, only two electrons can live. 4p block. 4p block. 4 into 1 plus 2. Then this becomes 4 into 6. It means in block P, element can live at least 6 elements. Next, 4D block. 4 into 2 plus 2. 4 into 2a plus 2, 10. Then this becomes 10. It means how many elements can live in block D? The answer is 10. How many electrons present in P block? The answer is 6. How many electrons present in S block? The answer is 2. It means this is a key point. 4 block 4 block F. 4 into 3 plus 2 equal to 14. 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14. Clear? What should be noted here? In block S, most element can lead to in block P 6, in block D 10, in block F 14. Not this point, because this is very important. You have to remember it. In block S, at least 2 elements can live. In block P, at least there is a limit. There is a limit. More than 6 elements does not live in block P. More than 10 does not live in block D. More than 14 does not live in block F. So there is a limit of block. There is a limit of block. There is a limit of rule. So understand, remember, in block S, 2 elements can live. In block P, 6 elements can live. In block D, 10 electron can live. In block F, 14 electron can live. Understand? Then how to find the valence electron, valency, group, period, block, all expected. Sodium is metal or non-metal. We can find by this formula. This is a very easy for us to find block, group, and order. Then first of all, one is 2, because in S block 2 elements can live easily. 1s2, 2s, 2p, 6. We have to assemble it. 2, 2, 4, 4, 6. Then how many atomic here? Electron here? 11. And we complete 10 electron. Last 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. In 3s, is 1, because we have only 1 electron in last orbit. So we have to also find what is valency. The number of electron present in outermost orbit is called valency. Then valency of this, valency of sodium is 1. Understand? How to find valency? Number of electron present in outermost orbit is called valency, and valency is always less than 4. Sodium by orbit we can also find it 2, 8 and 1. For this formula is 2n square. For orbit wise 2n square. If n equal to 1, then this becomes 2 into 1 square equal to 2. N equal to 2. Then this becomes 2 into 2 square. That means this is a 8. 2 into 3 square. Then this becomes 18. 2 into 4 square. Then this becomes 32. It means in first orbit how many electron? 2 can live. In second 8. In third orbit can live 18, 32. And this is also according to use we can find orbit wise. So by the using orbit wise, then we can find 2, 8 and 1. 2, 8 and 1. This is by orbit wise and this is by configuration wise. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. In first orbit 2 electron, This is a 2s and block is different but orbit is same. 2s and 2p. We assemble it to 6 plus 2. How many? 8. There is also 8. 6 to 8. And this is also 8. And last one 1. And there is also 1. So valency of sodium is 1. Easily? Okay. We can find valency of. So there is a many example for you. Okay, this is a carbon compound, but we have to complete some basic. This was basic. Without basic, you cannot understand carbon compound. So we have to learn first of all block, group, valency electron, and after that ion, after that metal, non-metal, and metal white. Okay, for example, we consider calcium 20, Ca 20, Ca 20. Then half principle from, because calcium have 20 electron, we have to arrange it by, we have to arrange it 2, 8, 8 and 2 by configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p. According to electron, we are going on different way. There is a very large electron configuration. So according to use, we rearrange it. We have to also remember it, how many electrons is here and how many electrons are placed here. 2 and 2, 4 in electron P. How many electron can live in block P? Here, remember also 6. 6, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. 2 to 4, 4, 6, 10, to 12, 12 to 12, 16, 18 to 20 compound. Now, what is the block of calcium? The last. Then, what is the last? In which last electron is there? In block S. So, calcium is element of block S. Calcium is in block of S. If you find in S block, then you have to find calcium. How to find group? Group is also parameter for electron to search here in a periodic table. Here no problem. How to find block? Find of block is very easy by configuration. Then next for group. Number of electron present in outermost orbit, that is called group. number of orbit is called group. One, first orbit. This is the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, and this is the fourth orbit. Number of orbit is called group. First, second, third, fourth. It means calcium's group is 4, and group is always written in Roman. Group 4. How we find here? Group 4. Number of orbit is called group. And after this, in electron, last electron is in block S, and block S here 4 is available here. So also we have to find it from here. Before digit of block is called group. So by the step we can also discuss about group with cool mind. Listen here. For a group, number of orbit. Understand from here. This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group, and this is the fourth group. As like it. This K, L, M, N, O. How many electrons in first orbit? 2. In 8. Last 18. 32. And 50. From the formula 2n square. 2n square by Bohr. Bohr was a scientist who discussed and find how many electrons in one orbit by the formula 2n square. And fourth block formula is 4l plus 2. 4l plus 2. Remember, in block S, E, D, F. In S2, in P, 6, in D, 10, in F, 14. In orbit 1, 2, second, 8, in third, 80, in fourth, 32, in fifth, 52, that's all. Then we find easily group of any element, no problem. Valency, number of electron present in outermost orbit is called valency. Number of electron present in outermost orbit. Outermost orbit is this. Last orbit is outermost orbit. This is the initial orbit. This is the second orbit. This is the third orbit, and this is the last orbit. In last orbit, we have seen 2 electrons. So number of electron present in outermost orbit. This is called valency. Have you any problem? Number of electron present in outermost orbit is called valency. There is only 2 electron present in outermost orbit. So number of electron present in outermost orbit is 2. So valency is also 2. Whose valency is 2? Oh. Valency of carbon is 2, and next valency of calcium, valence electron of calcium. Valency and valence है vice versa relation. When this is 2, then this becomes 6. When valence electron is 6, then valency is 2. So, if valency is 2, then valence electron is 6. Ion in last orbit, how many electron present is there? In orbit, in fourth orbit, 2. So, ion of this is Ca. Ca plus plus, Ca plus plus, and this is a carbon is a non-metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Understand? In next class, we also discuss on this, and we can find of any electron, any elements, valency group of any element, valency group, block, and metal, this is metal or non-metal, ion, or related facts of element we can find by this rule. Okay, thanks.